Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to calibrate compass and GPS on your AMAZFIT Balance 2XT. So first, what you guys want to do is go over, and if you want to calibrate the compass, you need to go to the compass app. So let's go to the compass app. We need to scroll a bit down for it. And here we have the compass. Now we want to click here and we want to calibrate it. So just moving our wrist, I'll move it like that. So it's calibrated. It has to be raw ball. So this is how the calibration looks like. Now I'll quickly do that. So it's this motion right here. We want to calibrate it. It might take some time because it has to get everything. So we are moving it. And the calibration should be over soon. And now the calibration is done. As you guys can see, here we are at the north now. This is the west. And yes, this is how the calibration works for a compass. Now for GPS, you need to go outdoors, so it has to be an open area. And after that, you need to start a workout using the workout app. So this app is right up here, and then wait for the signal lock. And after that, your GPS will be calibrated. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a password. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.